Do you want a fighting chance against the coronavirus? Well, I have the perfect home remedy just for you. It is called the contrast shower. Now, you may be asking, what is the contrast shower? And quite simply, it is just the application of alternating hot and cold water. And as a result, it also increases the white blood cell count. And so this is the perfect treatment that you need to increase your immunity. Just keep watching and find out how to do it. Step 1. Turn your shower faucet to hot, making the water's temperature as hot as you can handle. Leave it on for 3 minutes. Step 2. Turn the faucet to cold, making the temperature as cold as you can handle. Leave it on cold for 30 seconds.
Oh my! Oh my!
Step 3. Do this 3 times, ending on cold. For the best results, rest for 20 minutes after taking your shower and drink some water. Wow, that was absolutely cold. Well, I hope you can try this yourself. And so, as always, remember, stay healthy.
Hi, Tapiwa here. Did you know that you can actually learn more in-depth stuff about hydrotherapy and even natural remedies simply by going on our website, www.healthevangelism.com, and going under courses and simply clicking online health evangelism? And also, if you wanted to actually come into Wildwood Lifestyle Center as a guest to receive some of the hydrotherapy treatments, please go to www.wildwoodhealth.com. And friends, we look forward to seeing you soon, or simply, again, as I said, sign up to the online school.